Our first stop on this adventure is the invention of silly putty. During World War II, rubber was in short supply and the United States was in desperate need of a synthetic substitute. Enter engineer James Wright. His experiment involved combining boric acid with silicon oil, but instead of producing the much-needed rubber substitute, he ended up creating a strange, gooey substance. This substance could bounce, stretch, and even lift images from printed materials. Rather than a synthetic rubber, Wright had inadvertently given birth to silly putty, a timeless toy that continues to amuse children and adults alike. Moving on, we encounter the creation of Velcro. George de Mestral, a Swiss engineer, was out on a hunting trip when he noticed how burrs from plants were sticking to his clothes and his dog's fur. Intrigued by this, he examined them under a microscope and noticed the tiny hooks on the burrs. This observation led to the brilliant idea of creating a fastening system using two materials, one with tiny hooks and another with tiny loops. Thus, Velcro, a now ubiquitous fastening system, was born from a simple walk in the woods. The third invention on our list is the X-ray. Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen, a German physicist, was conducting experiments with cathode rays when he noticed a fluorescent glow in his lab. The glow was coming from a material that was not in the direct path of the rays. Röntgen realized that he had discovered a new type of ray, which he named X-rays, denoting the unknown. This accidental discovery revolutionized the field of medicine and continues to save lives today. Our next stop takes us to the explosive world of dynamite. Alfred Nobel, a Swedish chemist, was attempting to create a safer way to handle nitroglycerin, a highly volatile liquid. During his experiments, he accidentally discovered that when nitroglycerin was mixed with diatomaceous earth, it became safe to handle and yet retained its powerful explosive properties. This discovery led to the creation of dynamite, transforming industries such as construction and mining. Lastly, we find ourselves chewing on the accidental invention of the hardening chewing gum base. Thomas Adams, a New York inventor, was experimenting with chicle, a latex sap from the sapodilla tree, as a possible substitute for rubber. One night he left a piece of chicle out and it hardened, yet remained chewable. This led to the creation of the modern chewing gum base, making bubble blowing a global pastime. In summary, these inventions, from silly putty to chewing gum, were born from experiments that didn't go as planned. They serve as a testament to the beauty of scientific endeavors, where even mistakes can lead to groundbreaking discoveries. These tales of serendipity remind us that sometimes the most rewarding paths are the unexpected ones. As we continue this series, prepare to be further amazed by the world of accidental genius inventions. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, in the realm of science there are no mistakes, only discoveries waiting to happen.